So after receiving some feedback from my fellow doctors, I have made some changes in the program so that it is easier to set up now, right? So I will show you the changes that I have made. So let me just run the program. Okay. So as before, you go to the setup button, and now you will see that I have segregated the steps individually. So step 1 is creating a database. So you just click on this button once, that is create database. Now you don't see anything happening, but a database is being created in the background, right? Step 2 is optional details. So this is optional because if you don't want your dispensary name or your username to be stored in the program, it's completely fine. And in any case, this is only going to be stored locally, so there is no transmission over the internet or anything of that sort, right? So let me just fill some random details. Okay, so testing dispensary and testing name. Okay, so we have filled in the details. Next is Firefox. So by default, basically we need to fill the path to Firefox. So this is a mandatory thing. Now the program has the default location where Firefox is normally installed in most Windows computers, right? So unless you have installed it in a custom location, this will work. So just to check whether this path actually points to this program, Firefox. So you just click on this button, check Firefox. Okay, so if you click on this, it should immediately open up the program, that is Firefox. So this is working. Okay, so in case this doesn't work, I have also included a button, find Firefox for me. So when you click on find Firefox, the program will automatically find the program on the C drive. So I've just clicked it, right? So there is another version of Firefox in my program, in my Windows. So it found that location. So it's in C drive portable apps. Okay, in case you don't have Firefox installed in your computer, you can install it a 32-bit version. So just install it by clicking install Firefox 32-bit. So it should run. Okay, so I already have that. Or if it's a 64-bit computer, you can just click 64-bit. Most computers nowadays are 64-bit, so if you are not sure which one is yours, just install the 64-bit one. Okay, coming to the next step, that is installing Google Tesseract. Now Google Tesseract is basically a program which is used for optical character recognition. What this will do is it will help in reading the CAPTCHA and filling in the CAPTCHA without you having to manually fill it. So in case you don't need that functionality, you can just skip this step. Otherwise you can just install. So just hitting install Google Tesseract. Okay, just follow the default. Okay, so in my case, this is already installed, so I won't be installing it again, right? So I'll just hit no. Okay, so welcome. So you can just click on the default settings, and you can just go with the default settings, and right. So I'm just exiting it because it's already installed in this. Okay, so now that everything is done, you come to the last step, that is save the database. So you click save to database. Okay, so setting up is done, and now the program should work. You click on launch browser. So it will open the Firefox. And open the website, and here we go. Next you click on login. So if you remember, we had filled in some random details to be filled in, right? So it filled in the dispensary name, the username. I think we filled the dispensary name as testing dispensary, but I think there is a character limit. That is why it's not showing up completely. But you get the idea, right? Then the username, you fill in the password, and this is the captcha, right? So this is usually very accurate, but not 100% accurate. So as you can see, it has confused 8 with E. So you can just change that and fill in the password and login. So as you can see, I have simplified the process of setting up. Hope you like it. Thank you.